welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now. I wanted to use the new Dream Street palette with Kathleen lights and Colourpop, and I'm obsessed with this palette. I've been using it ever since I got it, and I haven't used anything else. I really wanted to create a look that I really think goes good with anybody. Like, I feel like this look would look good on everybody. So this is the look that I've been wearing for the past 3 days since I got this palette. So I really like the way it turned out. I didn't use any fake lashes. I didn't do any winged liner. It's very simple. So I did use a lot of the products that I hauled in my last haul, which I will link up here for you guys. In this video, I used the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I used the new, well, this isn't new, but it's new to me, the Burts Bees blush, and my new Morphe setting spray, and my new liquid lipstick. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see how to recreate this look, then let's just jump right in. We are going to be jumping into this palette right here. This is the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop Dream Street palette. I am obsessed with this. It is gorgeous. So I'm going to create a look using this today. So I'm just going to go in with Colourpop's No Filter Concealer just to prime my eyes. If you guys like using eyeshadow primer, then go ahead and do that. Oh, and by the way, I'm using Morphe Sponge. This is the first time I'm using it. I'm excited to see how this works. So I'm just going to mix these two shades right here. Alright, next I'm going to grab this shade right here, which is one of my favorites. It's such a pretty color. I'm going to grab that and I'm going to place this right into my crease. And I'm just fluffing this kind of on the outer portion of my lid. I'm also kind of putting this in the inner corner of my eye as well and just blending these all together. And then I'm going to grab this shade right here and I'm just going to fluff this into my outer crease just to blend everything. So now I'm going to go in and grab this shade Elfish right here. I'm going to grab that and put this in my outer corner. I'm just going to take a tiny bit of that shade, that brown, and I'm just going to put this in my inner corner just a little bit because I'm going to do a little bit of a halo eye. So I'm just adding a little bit. Don't add too much here because I don't want this to get like too dark and intense. I just wanted a little bit of depth there. And I'm kind of bringing the two shades together. I'm going back into this shade right here and I'm just going to blend out the edges. So now I'm going to take a little bit of that concealer on the ball of my eye just to make the other eyeshadow kind of stand out. I'm just going to pat this out with my finger because I don't want any harsh lines. This isn't like a cut crease or anything. I just want to kind of clean up that middle part of my eyelid just so the other color stands out. Oh my god. My palette just fell on the ground and this eyeshadow just completely broke. So that really sucks. This is it right here, all crumbled up. Okay, well, I'm going to go into the shade right above it and I'm going to grab that. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of spray just to make it more intensified. I'm going to put this right here. Just gonna blend all around this. I really like this shade right here, so I'm going to take that. I'm going to put that right on top. That's what I'm looking for. I like that shade with these eyeshadows a little bit better. Alright, now I'm going to go in with Colourpop Gel Eyeliner in Mr. Bing. It is a brown shade. Put this right in my waterline. Alright, now I'm just going to do my mascara. And then once we do our foundation and stuff, I'm going to finish the lower lash line with shadows. I'm going to mix the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara and the It Cosmetics Superhero mascara. I'm just going to apply both of these. If you guys were wondering, this is what one coat of the Mercier Big mascara looks like. It is really pretty, but I will say that it's not as black as my Superhero mascara. That's why I like to go in with the Superhero mascara and do another coat on top of it, because it really gives that like really black look, and it also makes my lashes so long. The Cosmetics mascara has to be one of my favorites, if not my favorite. Like, look at those lashes. They're so long. I don't even need false lashes for this look. I've been rocking the no false eyelashes because I've been trying to let my actual lashes grow, because I feel like fake lashes can really ruin my eyelashes when I'm taking the glue off. So I've been trying not to wear as many false eyelashes. I mean, I still wear them, but not as often. These lashes are my bad lashes. Something happened to them, and I don't know what, but they're all crinkled towards the end, so these ones always look awful. Alright, so I'm going to zoom you guys back out and let's do the face. So I have this pimple right here that has been here for a couple days now, and it's just not budging, so we're just going to ignore that. So I already did prime my skin with the Becca Backlight Priming Filter, so I already have that on my skin. I'm going to go in with this foundation today. This is the DIOR Forever foundation. This is very pricey. Very, very pricey, but I really like it. It just looks really good on the skin. So I'm going to apply this. I'm going to go in with my Morphe Sponge and blend this out. Blending out really nicely with the sponge. And as you can see, this foundation is really good. It has already covered up my pimple. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I hate foundation lips. I'm in the color Light Neutral. This does oxidize a little bit, I will say that. So if you like a really bright under eye, I would definitely get a shade lighter than you normally would, because definitely does dry down. I don't know if I would really say it oxidizes. I think it just dries down darker. See, as you can see, it's kind of like drying, so it's getting a little bit darker. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and just set this all with my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder before it dries. And I'm just going to put that right under my eye. My under eyes tend to be a little bit drier than normal, so I don't like to let the powder sit for too long because I don't want it to get extremely drying underneath my eyes. So I do like to really pack it on and then kind of push it into the skin. I do like to go in with my It Cosmetics Celebration Foundation and just kind of set my outer portion of my face with this. Alright, so let's go back to the eyes here. Alright, so just to finish up the eyes, I'm just going to smudge out the lower lash line with this shade right here. I'm just going to blend this into that brown eyeliner. I like to kind of bring the shadow and kind of extend it up to kind of meet the other eyeshadow. I feel like it just pulls the entire look together. And then for my inner corner, I'm going to grab this shade right here, and I'm going to put that right in the inner corner. I'm going to take my finger and kind of dab this right in the center. And then I'm just going to finish my lower lashes. Alright, we need to bring some color back into this face. So I'm going to, where are you? I'm going to do some contouring with my Smashbox Contour palette. I'm going to mix these two shades. I'm loving using this Morphe M530 brush. By the way, I have a shirt on, if you guys were wondering. I don't film in the nude. So I'm just going to contour with this. I really like the mixture of these two shades. I feel like they're really, really nice. One is more cool tone and one's warmer. They both work really nice blended together. You don't get too muddy and you don't get too warm, which personally I don't really mind warm. I really like warm bronzers. I'm just going to take this down my nose. I like to just kind of push the brush together and just kind of bring this down my nose. I'm not being too precise or anything like that. Alright, and then to warm up my cheeks, I've been really liking this. This I actually hauled as well. This is the MakeupRevolution Vivid Baked Bronzer. This is very shimmery. Very, very shimmery, but it gives you a really pretty sun-kissed glow if you're very careful with it. So I'm just going to barely tap into this and then apply it to my cheeks. And although it does have a ton of shimmer in it, when it's on the cheeks it doesn't look like overly sparkly or anything. It just looks really like glowy and I really, really like it. You can go a little overboard. See right here? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a little intense. But I will go in and blend that. I like to put it on my nose. It kind of gives you like a sun-kissed glow when you put it on your nose, and I really like that look. For blush, to stick with the whole kind of like warm themed look, I'm going to go into my new Burts Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon, and I'm obsessed with this color. It's so gorgeous. I know it doesn't really look like a blush. It's not really a blush. It's more of a kind of like bronzer blush, but I love this so much. It just adds so much warmth to the look. So I'm just going to add this. Alright, so for highlight today, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty highlight in Mean Money. Or is it? No, it's Hustle Baby. It's the more dramatic one. And I'm just going to take this on a Real Techniques little setting brush. I've been loving using this lately. And I'm just going to hit this on the high points of my cheeks. I love this highlight. I think it's so, so pretty. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's like this gorgeous kind of champagne-y highlight, and I live. I also like to bring this kind of like underneath my brow bone, like that, and then I'll take it and put it right above my brow bone, just to kind of like even everything out. And then I'll take this right down my nose, a little bit on my chin, and then my Cupid's bow. And then I'm just going to, before I do my lips, I'm just going to set this all in place with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, which I'm obsessed with. This stuff is amazing. So for my lippy, I'm going to go in with my new Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Manilla. I love this shade so much. It goes so good with this look too. And you don't even need a lip liner. I don't think you do. So this is the completed look, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm so bummed that I dropped my palette and that one of the shades broke because I literally just got this palette. I'm just so bummed about that. But other than that, I love the palette so much, and this is the look that I've been wearing literally the past 3 days, and I just love it. I feel like it just looks really warm, but it just makes you look awake, and it goes really good with green eyes. So if you have green eyes, girl, this look is for you. This will look gorgeous on any eye color, I feel like. I just love the color combinations, and I love that I didn't use any winged liner or any false lashes. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Also, let me know if you guys want to see some more looks, maybe using these kind of like really gorgeous kind of blue-green shades. I would love to do something like that, so let me know and I will do that for you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!